If your boyfriend is going to his female friend's house, it is normal to feel jealous, but it is important to try to trust him. Start by accepting her role and getting to know her better. Ask to join in on their activities or invite her over for drinks to see how they interact. If they are truly just friends, they will respect you, and he won't stop showing you affection. Give her the benefit of the doubt and avoid being passive-aggressive. If you still feel uneasy, organize your thoughts and talk to your boyfriend calmly. Use specific I statements to explain your worries without being accusatory, such as, I feel hurt when I see pictures of the two of you online because our friends ask why you are posing like that with her. This conversation is the perfect time to set clear boundaries and clarify your relationship guidelines. Trust is essential, but if he refuses to respect your feelings, always listen to your instincts.